25 minutes, two-wheel drive, sports truck, a main event. Landon finds the fence. Everybody finds Landon. 25 minutes is a long time, guys. I would wait a little bit to get my racing on.
What are you doing?
Alright, we got back corner, needs some help, back corner needs some help. Take it easy on the marshals, guys, take it easy. Long race. The two drivers will rise to the top regardless. Lot of racing to go, guys. A lot of racing to go. Great Unit isn't going to win it, though. Turn marshals in that back section and ask for caution. This Lara proving to go on here. The 5 in the very back of the pack. Burkett pushing people out the way. Uncle Mike coming to get him. John Burkett. Put the leader behind you, Landon. Leader behind you. So that was up front, Uncle Mike and John Burkett. That's Red Garcia against Tony the third stop, just under the back section. So 1-2 on their own little pace. Number 3 found number 4. Shapiro and finding themselves locked in one deep down the lead. John Perkins coming up behind you guys. Running the lead again. Wow, Bupa. Way to climb the fence, buddy. Remember, drivers, turn marshals are more important than that trophy. Do not hurt people. You'll feel bad. Go away. Second place, trying to get by your feet. There you go. Ryan, second place, coming up behind year. Mike Reyes had to pick his way through some of the traffic. Let that Perkins get a little bit of breathing room. Steve Perez up to the 7th spot now. That's the battle between him and Phil Collins and Jack Daniels machine. That's a heads-up battle. They're finally sitting nose to nose. Riley comes in to say hi. He's stepping in right behind him. That's a three-way battle. Capillo sticks his nose in. Now the four-way battle. They're all together. He's looking for the easy out. Play clean, guys. Play clean. Play clean. Quit yelling. Not his fault. Yours. I got a long lap for Chris Valero. Yeah, when you get a minute, you got like a 100-second lap. Don't know where he's at, don't want to call it. Reyes off the ledge. They're all hooked up. Help them out. Help them out. Turn around. That'll work, Uncle Mike. John Burkett, Mike Reyes. Let's let go. He is in the 10th spot right now. 13th. Once again, drivers, try to keep the volume and curse words to a minimum amongst yourself up there. We're all friends. We're adults. And there's actually some kids up on the stands with you. It just doesn't look good. 45 down, 16, 15 to go. John Burkett, number 1, Mike Reyes, number 2, Chris Garcia, number 2, Chris Valero, number 4, Riley 50, number 5, Landon Dawson, number 6, Steve Perez, 7, Ronnie Rojas, 8, Phil Thompson, number 9, Brian Shapiro, 10, Brandon Lee, 11, Steve Beck walking off the track, Andy Muschnick, Jason Hastings, in running order. 16 minutes to go, your leader of the hard hit. Watch that back section, guys. It is clear now.